Welcome back to the channel. This is the second video in the new crib, and I'm screaming so you can hear me echo, so you hear it twice because that's how excited I am. Today is Christmas Day, first day having Christmas in the crib, and we have stuff in the house now. I'm gonna show y'all a little quick update of the crib. It's a little messy, but it's starting to come together, starting to look like a house somewhat. We got stuff now. We got some pots and pans. We actually got stuff to cook. I went to grocery shop and realized you can't cook eggs without a pan. The Suron's still coming. I know y'all are waiting for a video. We got food in the fridge. Are you excited as me? I think so. Hold on, let me show you the bathroom now. We got curtains. We got some curtains. We went with like a little black gray-ish theme. The Xbox setup is going crazy. And we got the SE bike in here as well. It's decoration. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to hang it, but we're gonna be doing something crazy for Christmas for my mom. That crazy for the first time I've actually had I've actually got presents this time. So bathroom's coming along. We got some utensil stuff going, hampers, toilets, curtains, all that. So that's a quick update on what the crib is starting to look like. Y'all might not be as excited as I am, but this is a big moment for me. But we are giving my mom some bread for Christmas so she can get stuff for herself, do something crazy. Nothing too special, but y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. It's a big day. Probably means more to me than it does to her. But we are about to wrap them in random boxes. So I'm about to do that. So what y'all see in between the boxing, me boxing it up and getting her presents ready and leaving the crib to drive to Columbia, this process is gonna be a lot faster for y'all, so stick around, stay tuned, and y'all gonna see us here in just a minute, wrapping, cut to it. We got the presents wrapped. Now, before we hit the road, we got she's folding some clothes. I'm about to help. Clarification as she's doing it, but I meant we are, because
they're all mine though. They're not his.
I folded them a couple times, but we got the presents wrapped up, and I figured we're gonna do another intro with the Suron. I'm about to go rip it in the parking lot because y'all haven't seen it in the daytime, so I'm gonna put a POV mount on. But let's take it out the crib. I'm gonna throw the head mount on and get out here.
Insert this, Mama Kelly.
What?
Hey, you're not wearing a helmet.
We're about to rip the Suron real quick in the parking lot. If I don't come back, I got arrested. All right, chat, let's go cut up, cat. There's the cat. If y'all were wondering about the cat is still here. But we're about to go rip the Suron. Ain't nothing changed. It is stupid cold out here, but the Suron's crazy, bro. I'm getting a little bit better, but watch this, bro. Hold up. Yeah, hey, I'm probably gonna be good within like the week or so, bro. Look, hey! I don't know if it's my rotors or my brakes, they're clapped, bro. So every time I hit the brakes, my back brake doesn't really lock up. So I'm scared that when I get back, my brake's gonna not stop me. Do we rip it across the road, bro? We'll spin the block. Look, bro. Uh-oh, 12? Nah, that ain't 12. Look at this. Imagine if I just, C-type 12 o'clock with it, baby. Look, top speed, bro. They got scared. Look at them, bro. We're gonna try to cross right here. We're gonna cross and then turn. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm definitely not gonna sit off the light, you know? This car's probably like, what the fuck? Ain't nothing changed with the train. The craziest video I've uploaded, bro. Yeah, I know y'all are gonna like the Suron content coming to the channel, but that's a little quick peek. We're gonna make like an official build video. Bro, watch, I'm gonna try a knee knock, bro. I'm gonna try to knee knock it. I definitely am scared, bro, but bro. Yeah, I ain't trying that, bro. I'm a flip. But the cat is still here. This is a crazy combo. Alright. Toss him. We on the road to Columbia to see the fam.
Whoa.
They tried to copyright us. We gonna stop.
Jamming.
I was too. I was like going crazy. She don't like it when we do that, but
I didn't say I didn't want it.
downshifty. It's not popping, but it's going. Let me see the glasses.
You can't even see on the camera, so
Oh, what?
you can't even see on the camera.
You can't see them on the camera. What am I looking at? I'm not looking at you.
Okay, now you can see me.
I can see you now. All right. Nah, you type 5 with the glasses now. Let me see some. Shake some. Hold up. Just kidding.
It's like my head just jerked back.
Well, we getting some petrol, something like that. I don't know either.
That's more knowledge than I got.
I don't know. Now we on the road. It's been a minute since we've had cat content, I feel like, so I'm about to show y'all. Bro, Beamer, what is you doing? Fucking sicko.
Oh,
I don't know,
that
bro.
R8 I saw earlier.
Yeah, what'd you see?
I saw an R8.
Okay.
It was really nice.
A newer one?
Yep.
I'm gonna need that.
I know, it was so nice. They saw me looking at it, so they had to skirt on up in front of me, rev it up a little bit.
No, you got all that?
Yeah.
Bros took my bitch, bro. She was probably showing titties.
No, it was not. I was not. It's not.
Look, watch. She ain't gonna smile when I do this. We're not the same. But y'all hurry up.
It looks
Get
so
me paid.
nice.
Get me paid so I can be in something that looks fast.
Yours sounded better though.
No, that's weird. I appreciate it, but you don't gotta lie.
Well, I think it sounds better because I'm inside of it.
Yeah. If you were inside of that one, I mean, I'm proud of you, but.
Yeah, I wasn't inside of that one. They didn't pull over.
Oh, yeah. All right, you two. We gonna see y'all in Columbia, baby.
Kind of late for coffee.
You like coffee?
I do like coffee.
I don't know if you still use K-Cup.
Yeah. Of course. That's not K-Cups in there.
Yeah, there is.
It is?
Yeah.
No.
It is K-Cup. Why are you lying on the K-Cup?
I'm not lying on the K-Cups. Baylor, I'm not going to take your money.
Cousin. What? What is that?
He wants to see that table.
I gotta
Make
see
it
it.
going. Kid.
What?
It's all he's been talking about. He was so excited. He
Bubba.
loves his mama.
Yeah.
I love that little boy.
Stop. Why are you crying?
Don't cry.
That new camera, new sticker going on the Hellcat. Y'all can probably see me. I'm probably blurring out the background. And I probably got a camera that's already better than I am, so I gotta grow with the camera and let the camera grow me. Mom's doing her thing right now, centering up with her new sticker machine. So if y'all need a sticker, let me know and we'll ship those out to you. You're kinda doing your thing there, Mom. It looks really good. First time, so by the time she does yours, it's gonna be good. Look, she might just wrap your car too. How much you charging for stickers if someone hits you up?
Oh.
Yeah, and make them.
That's a hefty fee.
Name one.
To make them?
Yeah.
$20.
$20. You covering shipping?
23 for shipping.
I told myself I'd put the sticker on there once I hit 1K. Then I said I'd change it to where I got paid. I'm not paid yet, but I figured she got the new machine, so I'm getting a head start to my sticker on the back window, but it is looking good. But we're on the way back to Spartanburg, and we are on the highway. Let me shut that for y'all so y'all can hear me, but we are headed with some dressers, whatnot. We got my mom in the runner, and we're gonna unload that, get some more furniture in. As y'all saw the video before this that went up, we moved into the apartment, so it should be a new start to a lot of new stuff. Apartment, the Suron, new camera, sticker. I'm excited about the sticker on the back of the window, so if you do see it, you gotta subscribe and let me know if you do see it. And now maybe if people like randomly record us, we'll get the video somehow. I don't know, it'd be pretty cool, but mainly excited about the camera because I know y'all see the autofocus. I know I'm focusing. Am I focusing right now? Yeah, it's crazy. I got the top tier camera, so I just want to say on camera for everybody that is watching that might be in my family that I'm super appreciative of this camera because this camera is going to bring me to the next level. I'm not going to be on the iPhone anymore or the GoPro besides when we are making clips. Oh, my mom's way back there. I about left her. Anyway, it's going to be a whole lot better and the YouTube's going to grow a whole lot better. We got a mic with the fuzzy sack on the top of it. We got autofocus. We got zoom in and zoom out. So yeah, yes, you see the hairy nuts on there? Maybe not. Y'all
Maybe not. I don't know.
Y'all see the hairy nuts on there one day, but maybe no wind noise. So it's going to be an exciting change and turn of events for us. So we're going to pick up the camera. If something catastrophic happens on our way there, which hopefully it doesn't, we keep a safe little drive, and we'll see y'all when we got all of our new furniture in the apartment. Mom did make it with the trailer of stuff, so we're about to take in, if the camera will focus, we're going to take in our, what do we have? We're going to take in
nightstand, dresser, and nightstand.
Yeah, all the stuff to put clothes in and whatnot, but the cat does look the best it's ever looked on camera. Now y'all might be able to actually see if it's dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it. If y'all are liking the quality and the quality's looking a lot better, y'all let me know, man, because I know it's looking better, so y'all don't gotta tell me, but I'm gonna go outside, move all this stuff in, and I'm gonna see y'all here in just a minute. All right, we made it in the crib. We got our furniture. Y'all can see we did get our TV stand in here. We got the TV from my old bedroom. We cooked some eggs, so that's why we got egg pans, some decoration stuff we got to get set up everywhere because we got decorations everywhere. Our nightstand, clothing drawer, shoes, all that. So, I mean, the crib is starting to become a crib. The game room has not changed much from the last video, but we got the basketball goal, bro. I'm about to dunk on anybody if y'all want to come over. Bike's still here. Xbox. That is the update with the apartment of where we are from the last video that y'all saw. It's been kind of all over the place from starting at the home to finishing in Columbia on Christmas Day, and y'all seeing the Christmas presents, the quality getting a lot better out of one video to now we're at home, a little bit more furniture, but it's starting to go crazy. I know y'all like the Suron, so if y'all do want to see that content, y'all let me know for real because it's coming. You got any New Year's words you want to say to the people?
Go 2023.
Go 2023. And just like that, this video is gonna be up before 2023, but 4 days after you saw the last video. So shout out to everybody. Thank you for rocking with me. BaileyWise. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because we do post every 4 days. Beautiful quality. I know y'all can see in my pores now. Beautiful quality from here on out. Microphone, all that. So y'all let me know how y'all are liking the quality and the sound. It should be 1,000 million times better, but if not, and y'all do got something y'all don't like that you're seeing, let me know as well. But till the next one, BaileyWise and Anna, and we are out.